Benefits and medicinal uses. Giloy Ghan Vati increases immunity and makes the body to fight off infections better. It reduces Am dosha. According to Ayurveda, Am dosh is a main disease-causing factor. Such a decrease in toxins accumulation in the body reduces your chances of getting sick. It is a natural and safe herbal remedy used in many types of health problems and chronic diseases. It improves the functions of the liver and kidney. It boosts immunity. Giloy Ghan Vati reduces the frequency of recurrent infection. Therefore, it helps to prevent frequent cold and flu. It provides strength to the body and muscles. It is beneficial in relieving muscular pain. Due to anti-inflammatory properties and analgesic action, it reduces muscle and joint pain. It is also beneficial in inflammatory diseases. It also reduces inflammation occurring in arthritic disorders. Due to adaptogenic effects, it helps body coping with stress. Giloy Ghan Vati is beneficial in general body ache and general fatigue. Mild antibiotic properties of Giloy Ghan Vati reduce fever and assist other remedies used in fever. It is the best medicine for chronic fever. Being a blood purifier, it is beneficial in skin diseases. It also has antipruritic action, which helps in relieving itching. Its intake enhances urinary excretion of toxins. If you are experiencing physical weakness, then you can get strength from its consumption. It improves digestion of fats. It can also help if mucus is present in the stools. In the context of the heart, it gives strength to the heart. It is highly beneficial for treating post-fever debility. In chronic fever, it reduces the symptoms of fever and breaks the fever cycle. Now let's talk about how it works and how we can use it in different health conditions. Recurrent infections. Recurrent infections are a signal of something wrong in the immune system. If you have a disease repeatedly, it is an indicator of decreased immunity. When your body lacks disease resistance capacity, then your body starts to suffer from many diseases. You get common cold, fever, and other infections frequently. The most common cause of recurrent infections is low immunity. The first line of defense system includes the skin, lining of the respiratory tract, and mucous membranes of the digestive system. Microbes or external particles first attack these organs in the body. Giloy Ghan Vati contains giloy, which helps to increase the defense mechanism due to its immunostimulatory properties. Its influence is seen on membranes of alimentary canal and linings of the respiratory tract. It helps make your body resistant against infections. Its regular use strengthens your body's immunity system. It prevents infection in the body. It prevents chronic diseases. According to Ayurveda, undigested food particles are the major cause of the formation of toxins in the body. These toxins are called Am dosha in Ayurveda. Am dosha is present in the abdomen until it converts into Amvisha. If it is converted into Amvisha, it gets absorbed in the body and causes several diseases including gout, rheumatoid arthritis, and skin diseases. Giloy Ghan Vati reduces the formation of Am dosha and prevents its conversion into Amvisha. Moreover, it also digests the already formed Am toxins and increases their elimination. Therefore, it is also beneficial for the prevention of arthritic disorders skin diseases, and several other diseases in addition to infections. So, if you take Giloy in any form, it reduces the likelihood of having diseases. Hence, you do not get sick easily. Apart from this, if you get any infection or disease helplessly, it also helps to reduce the severity of the disease. Furthermore, it also assists the other medicines to provide quick relief because it improves the strength and resistance of your body to fight off the disease. Fever treatment with Giloy Ghan Vati. Although Giloy Ghan Vati has mild antipyretic action, still using it decreases the intensity of the fever. Its use is more beneficial in chronic fever. It is more effective for preventing a rise in temperature rather than lowering it. It also breaks a fever cycle and supports other medicines. If it is used alone to treat fever, it will also have a slight effect in lowering temperature. Therefore, we have to use it in combination with Praval Pishti and Godanti Bhasma or Santap Shamak Mishran. For reducing fever, its 2 tablets should be taken along with 500 mg Praval Pishti and 500 mg Godanti Bhasma or 1000 mg of Santap Shamak Mishran. This mixture reduces fever within 1 to 2 hours. In case of fever, an adult can take these medicines 3 to 4 times a day. This combination has potent antipyretic action. According to the underlying cause of the fever, it is also necessary to take other medicines too. For management of mild infections, one can use tulsi juice. In severe infections, one may need an appropriate treatment according to the underlying cause of the infection. If the reason for fever is viral infection or the common cold, it is beneficial to use basil juice along with it. During the first 2 days of cold or flu, Praval Pishti should be taken in reduced dosage. Alternatively, 2 tablets of Giloy Ghan Vati should be taken along with 10 ml basil leaf juice and 500 mg Godanti Bhasma. 125 mg black pepper should also be taken along with it. Chronic fever. Giloy Ghan Vati works well in chronic fever. As we discussed, it is more efficacious to prevent a rise in the body temperature and helps in breaking the fever cycle. In chronic fever, we need this type of medicine that breaks the fever cycle and strengthens the body. In the chronic fever, it is also used along with long pepper powder or Swan Vasant Malti Ras Gold. If the patient has a good appetite, then Laghu Malini Vasant Ras or Yashad Bhasam can be used in place of Swan Vasant Malti Ras. Apart from this, the patient may need other medicines according to the health condition and other underlying causes. Therefore, it is necessary to consult an Ayurvedic doctor for better recommendations. Usually, most patients get relief from this combination. Debility after fever. Many patients experience post-fever debility and weakness after chronic illness. In such debility or weakness, Giloy Ghan Vati offers several benefits. It provides strength to the body. It reduces fatigue, body aches, and general weakness. Side effects of antibiotics and other medicines. Allopathic treatment affects the overall health because of their strong potency. All medicines used in fever management in allopathy often have side effects on liver and kidneys. Giloy Ghan Vati is an excellent tonic for the liver as well as for the kidneys. It reduces the side effects of other medicines and protects the liver and kidneys from the damage. Gout or increased uric acid levels. In Ayurvedic medicine, Giloy Ghan Vati used with Punarnava Arist or Punarnava Churan and Chandraprabha Vati to reduce uric acid levels. The course of treatment should be of at least 3 months. If the patient has burning sensation in the feet along with pain, Gandhak Rasayan in a dosage of 500 mg is also given along with this medicine. The medicine given to the patient twice a day for 3 months to get the best results. Chronic pancreatitis. Now let's discuss, is Giloy Ghan Vati useful in chronic pancreatitis and how does it work? Tinospora caudifolia acts as antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. It also relieves pains due to mild analgesic properties. In pancreatitis, it helps by reducing inflammation. It also reduces ama due to its digestive and stomach actions. It also inhibits pancreatic amylase activities and reduces pancreatic irritation and inflammation. Thus, it helps in the management of chronic pancreatitis. Giloy Ghan Vati dosage. Now let's discuss how we should take it and how much it should be used. The dosage of Giloy Ghan Vati may vary according to the health conditions. Here is the general dosage of Giloy Ghan Vati. In case of a child, 1 tablet 2 to 4 times a day is the best dosage in fever. In other diseases, 1 tablet twice a day should be taken. For adults, if it is being used for fever, 2 tablets can be taken 2 to 4 times a day. In other diseases, 2 tablets should be taken twice a day. Adjuvant. It should be taken with lukewarm water. In some cases, your doctor can also advise to take it along with honey and milk or along with other remedies. Duration of treatment. According to the patient's health, the treatment period with it can range from 1 week to 6 months or even more. It should be used for 3 to 6 months to increase immunity and in case of hyperuricemia. In case of chronic fever, it should be used at least 45 days. It should be continued even if the patient gets relief from fever. Continuing taking it will help to strengthen the body and prevents recurrence. When should I take Giloy Ghan Vati? Best time to take Giloy Ghan Vati 30 minutes before food or 1 to 2 hours after a meal. It can be repeated every 4 to 6 hours regardless of the food intake. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up and share this video and subscribe our channel Ayur Times.